at Orchard Road, but it seems like life is coming back. There's people everywhere now. I'm actually here to check out the old Chatsworth International School, which has been closed for a while. Apparently that's the next site for this year's Singapore International Photo Festival. Interesting site. So let's check it out. I'm meeting Gwen, the SIPF director. Imagine having a photo festival inside a school with classrooms, canteen, assembly areas. It'll be cool. Can't wait to see. I think it's there. What a great site for a photo festival. It's very difficult to find spaces like this in Singapore. Singapore is so land scarce. Great location as well. Good space, great location. Just off Orchard Road on Emerald Hill.
So this entire compound has changed a lot. So there will be this space where people will come in, navigate themselves or to be directed where to go, left, right.
Oh, nice, huh? Vintage. Wow, this is huge. This is.
Yes, this used to be the former library. So we use this room for storage of books. And then the officer will open the door and just pick at people. Yeah. Then from here we can walk down the canteen, right?
This is a potential space for my exhibition. 100 daughters, 100 patients, 100 meals. I like the space. It's intimate, small, and there's like little rooms. Even old tiled bathroom. So could do like things with different layers and context. So it's like two main spaces. Which is nice. Hello.
Yes.
Can I have Madura?
Madura, having it takeaway?
Yeah.
Having it here?
Yeah, makan ya. Wow.
Okay.
I'm so happy you guys are still around. I was scared maybe you're COVID, right? Striking. So happy you guys still here. Got ayam bakar no?
Ada, tapi harus pakai nasi. Kita jualnya pakai nasi. If you want only chicken, same price.
Okay. Okay, give me one. Yeah.
Okay. One soto Madura, one ayam bakar, eh?
Yes. So I'm gonna have lunch at one of my favorite places to come for Indonesian food, soups to be exact. Indonesian soups. I'm Cantonese, so I love my soups, and I love soups of all types. You know, Indonesian, Thai, Chinese, Indian soups or whatever. But this is they make great Indo soup here. One reason why I like coming here is their sambal is damn sedap and damn pedas. Very nice. One of the best sambal in town. Very nice. I asked for extra. Soto Madura. I love my Indonesian soups. I'm Cantonese, so I love my soups. Ayam bakar. Terima kasih. Let's makan. Ayam bakar with a good dose of sambal. Tok tok. Okay, look who's in the house today.
Hi, I'm up here.
Bob, fat farmer, right? Fat farmer for the world. And Bob is doing a project shooting families in Singapore in the HDBs. This is a continuation of his project that you shot before.
Yep. It's called the memory blocks.
Memory blocks.
Yeah. So you started at 2009, and 2012 and 2015, and now hopefully can gather about 100 houses in total. Yeah.
And you are targeting for SIPF, right?
Yes. Yeah. This year is for SIPF.
SIPF is Singapore
Singapore
International Photo Festival. Sorry, Gwen. Singapore International Photo Festival. It's a biennale once every 2 years. So this year it's on. I think end of the year, around November time.
November to
I can't remember what the theme is, but it's to do with family migration.
Departure.
Something like that, migration, right? Arriving and departure, almost same thing. Bob is here to shoot my household, which is there's 4 of us staying here. Bob, the fat farmer, always like cooks at home. I always see his videos like cooking noodle, everything, you know, with his son and the wife and everything. So I'm sure he'll appreciate like pedas, chilies, and
Thank you.
Yeah, what's the theme again?
This year, SIPF team is departing and arriving.